Hi my dears, welcome back to the maths class. Did you celebrate Onam? Are you happy? Okay. Today's first activity. PTA bought 840 laddus for the Independence Day celebrations. The number of students in the first standard is 89, second standard 93, third standard 87, fourth standard 98 and in the fifth standard 102. If one laddu is given to each student, find the number of laddus left. Listen children, how many laddus are there in total? Yes, total number of laddus 840. Next, we have to find the total number of students. For that, we have to add number of students in the first standard, second standard, third standard, fourth standard and in the fifth standard. That is 102 plus 98 plus 87 plus 93 plus 89. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 plus 7, 17. 17 plus 3, 20. 20 plus 9, 29. Write 9 here to carry over. 9 plus 2, 11. 11 plus 8, 19. 19 plus 9, 28. 28 plus 8, 36. Write 6 here, 3 carry over. 3 plus 1, 4. So, total number of students 469. Next, we have to find number of laddus left. For that, we have to subtract 469 from 840. Children, you know we can't subtract 9 from 0. So, we have to borrow 110 from 410. Then 0 becomes 10 and 4 becomes 3. 10 minus 9, 1. Then 3 becomes 13 and 8 becomes 7. 13 minus 6, yes, 7. 7 minus 4, 3. So, number of laddus left 371. Children, listen to this question. Find the number of laddus needed more to distribute 2 laddus each to every student. Children, you know total number of students 469. If 1 laddu is given to each student, we need only 469 laddus. But if 2 laddus are given to each student, we need double of 469. That is 469 plus 469. 9 plus 9, 18. Right? 8 here, 1 carry over. 6 plus 6, 12. 12 plus 1, 13. Right? 3 here, 1 carry over. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So, laddus needed to give 2 each is 938. Then we have to find number of more laddus needed. Children, you know already we have 840 laddus. So, to find number of more laddus needed, subtract 840 from 938. 8 minus 0, 8. Then 3 becomes 13 and 9 becomes 8. 13 minus 4, yes, 9. 8 minus 8, 0. So, number of more laddus needed 98. Next activity. In a UP school, the number of students in the LP section is 292 and 345 in the UP section. Among them, 349 are boys. Find the number of girls in the school. Who are more in number, boys or girls? By how much? First, we have to find the total number of students. For that, add number of students in the LP section and number of students in the UP section. That is 292 plus 345. 5 plus 2, 7. 9 plus 4, 13. Write 3 here, 1 carry over. 3 plus 2, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. So, total students 637. Children, among them 349 are boys. So, number of boys, yes, 349. Then we have to find the number of girls. For that, subtract number of boys from the total students. That is 637 minus 349. Here 7 becomes 17 and 3 becomes 2. 17 minus 9, yes, 8. Then 2 becomes 12 and 6 becomes 5. 12 minus 4, yes, 8. 5 minus 3, 2. So, number of girls 288. Now listen children, who are more in number, boys or girls? Yes, boys are more in number. Then we have to find number of more boys than girls. For that, subtract number of girls from number of boys. That is 349 minus 288. 9 minus 8, 1. Here 4 becomes 14 and 3 becomes 2. 14 minus 8, yes, 6. 2 minus 2, 0. So, number of more boys is 61. Next activity, love. Here you can see numbers from 0 to 9 and their corresponding letters. And also some instructions are given. Let's do as instructions. First instruction is write a 3-digit number without repeating the digits and without 0. That means you can use one digit only once in a 3-digit number and don't use 0. So children, write a 3-digit number without repeating the digits and without 0. Yes, 345. Next, write this number in the reverse order. That is 543. Next, subtract the smaller number from the bigger one. That is 543 minus 345. Here 3 becomes 13 and 4 becomes 3. 13 minus 5, yes, 8. Then 3 becomes 13 and 5 becomes 4. 13 minus 4, yes, 9. 4 minus 3, 1. That is 198. Next, write the answer you got in the reverse order. That is 891. Next, add this reversed number to the above answer. That is 891 plus 198. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 9, 18. Write 8 here, 1 carry over. 8 plus 1, 9. 9 plus 1, 10. That is 1089. Last instruction, try to write the letters according to the digits of the last number. Which is the last number you got? Yes, 1089. So children, write the letters according to the digits of the last number you got. Children, which is the corresponding letter of 1? Yes, L. Which is the corresponding letter of 0? O. Which is the corresponding letter of 8? V. Which is the corresponding letter of 9? Yes, E. So children, which is the word you got? Yes, love. You try to write like this with the other numbers also. Do this exercise in your textbook. Today's class is over. Thank you.